Hello you guys, today I'm showing you the new Apple Watch that I just got. This is the Series 4, so we're about to unbox it. It's actually super easy. I am not a very techie person, and for me it works perfect. What I like is that I don't have to use any knives to open it, so that's great. So here it is. Pull the tabs. And we're getting to the watch. It's a sport band. I actually chose the white one. It's a 40 millimeters. This is the 40 millimeter, which is bigger than the older version, which was a 38, but still for my hand is perfect, and I'm pretty sure I'm about to enjoy it. So here you go, guys. We're about to all look at it together. It's a very nice packaging. It comes covered, as you can see. I really like it. This is gonna keep it clean, I guess, too. We're gonna get it off slowly. You can see it's already turning on. Super lightweight, actually. I really like that. This is the little casing that came into it, and here's the description of how big it is. It comes with the instructions, as usually, the charger and the plug. As always, Apple has a very cool way of packing everything. For me, that I'm very OCD. Watch right here, and this is the band. So as you can see, it's a sport band. Super neat packaging. You have it for small, medium, or large. You have all the instructions here on how to put it in. If you haven't had an Apple Watch with this, it can give you a detail. It's super easy to put it in. Honestly, anybody can do it. Here it goes. Now put one of the bands here on one side. As you said, it was super easy. I'll do it backwards this time so you can see it. It goes there. It's gonna slide right through, and then you're just gonna hear the click, and there you have it. Super nice. I really like the white. This color is very neat. You can use any other band. Actually, my husband has the red one. It looks pretty cool. Showing you right there. It has the bigger watch. So, well, we need to set it up. So this is the new Apple Watch Series 4 40 millimeters. Hey guys, so this is my old watch. This is a Series 3 watch. Had the sport black band on it. Right now I am pairing my watch. That's why you see the symbol going on there. So my watch is about to pair with my phone. And this is a new one. This is the Series 4. As you can see, here is the difference between both of them. Actually, this is lighter, a little lighter than this one. It's not that it's too heavy, but it's really cool.